Hey, I'm astrologer David Palmer, and I'm going to talk about Mercury going direct this Wednesday, December 13th, and also on Thursday the 14th. You'll really start to feel it. Now, what is Mercury direct? I'm sure you've heard of Mercury retrograde. Well, the opposite is Mercury direct. Mercury is the smallest planet, and it's a very fast-moving planet, and it rules our mind, it rules our intellect, our communication. It rules really how we process everything. It's really the processor. It's our brain, what it represents on our body. And when a planet goes direct, that means it moves out of a retrograde motion, which is going backwards in our view, because the way that the planets revolve around the sun, it's an optical illusion we have because all these planets are turning around and we're turning around and all the planets are spinning, and you kind of get lost and dizzy. And the way that it looks at on our Earth view is we actually look like, when we look up, there's planets going backwards in view, even though the planets are not going backwards. It's an optical illusion, but it does represent how it affects us here on Earth. And with Mercury going direct, it's the planet now moving forward in our view, which means the outward motion, just like active or passive, positive or negative, it's now moving forward, it's charging forward. So our processor switches channels. It's like in a computer, you know, the 1 and the 0. It's like when we move forward in gear, forward or reverse, you know, it's even though they're both similar, the forward motion is the outward motion, so now we can start to process in a more forward way. The last couple weeks have been more of an inward movement. I'm sure you've had your speech messed up. It's a different channel of the brain. Usually people feel the retrograde of Mercury the most, where it affects them because our minds like to move in a forward motion. Our communication is forward. Like how we breathe, it's like how when we come in, it's a lot different than, it's so much easier to exhale and speak, isn't it? It's a lot harder to do it when we inhale. So it's that exhale motion of how we speak, and processing comes easy, writing comes easier. If you have contracts, it's time to sign them. Plans, it's time to move forward with them and put all that smart, intelligent intellect forward now. So pay attention with Mercury direct, because it's happening up there and influencing you and your communication, your thought process, and your intellect here on Earth.